What is up everybody, so I'm just here back again with another video, and today in this video we are going to solve the next lab of Portswinger.net. And you can see what we need to do in this lab is we need to log in as an admin, and we can find the username of admin from an unpredictable URL. So you can see unlike last time we should delete the username Carlos. So I'll just click on access the lab, and as I have told in the previous video, you cannot delete irregular regular user using by logging in as a regular user. So what I will do is we should try to fetch out the username of the admin. So I'll just write robots dot. So let us see if there are any content available. So there is nothing available in robots.txt. So in this video we should find out the username of the admin using unpredictable URL. So I'll just click on inspect here. Okay, now I'll again click on this my account and inspect here. Okay, here is any script text, so I think something is encoded here. You can see the JavaScript is encoded here, and you can see most probably the name of the admin might be admin and this one. So let me type S7SK59. okay, let me try to log in. Boom guys, I am able to log in. So I can just delete this username Carlos, and okay, and boom, we have our lab solved. So I hope you guys love this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and that's all for today. Bye, take care.